There are not many devices that I can say absolutely are, for every aspect of it, are a game changer like this right here. This is the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. This, man, this is quite possibly the best. I'm just gonna say ultrabook. I know we don't really use those terms anymore. Ultrabook were like the super thin, powerful laptops, but yo, this right here, this, if you're on the fence about getting a MacBook or this video is going to change your mind. Let's go ahead and talk about it. And also, thank you to Lenovo for sending this over for review. If you want to pick this up, I will leave links in the description below, as well as pinned to the first comment on YouTube. And also, it will be attached to the video somehow. You know, YouTube has this whole thing. But yeah, this right here, game changer. Let's talk about it. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X stands out as a premier offering in the inaugural group of Copilot Plus PCs. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite chipset, it boasts a stunning 14.5-inch OLED screen that provides deep blacks and vivid colors, enhancing both work-related tasks and entertainment. While its battery life is notable, opting for non-OLED models could extend this even further. However, the compatibility of applications on ARM-based systems like this continues to develop. At the heart of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor is equipped to manage demanding tasks. It incorporates a neural processing unit, or NPU, capable of executing up to 45 trillion operations per second, ushering in advanced AI functionalities that could redefine task management on Windows PCs. Yet the rollout of these AI features has been truthfully a little sluggish, highlighted by delays in key functions such as the expected recall feature. Connectivity on the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is robust, offering 3 USB-C ports that handle a variety of connection requirements. It also embraces the most current Wi-Fi 7 protocols and Bluetooth 5.3. with the compatibility and capacity to update to Bluetooth 5.4 following compatibility with Windows. This sets the stage for future enhancements in connectivity. The performance of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is commendable in everyday usage. Like, this is one of the best laptops I've ever used. And look, if you're on a, like, if I have a MacBook Air, you know, the M3 model, and I love that thing. Great battery life, great performance. But this is a laptop that I honestly feels like looks so much better than it, and it also performs in some cases, more often than not, a lot better than it. So, you know, I don't get to keep the products I review. I don't know if I've said that before, but I don't get to keep them. If there's one I could keep, it's most assuredly that one. Like, that laptop, oh my goodness, this laptop is so good. Let me stop gushing though, let's get back to the review. This laptop operates efficiently and quietly thanks to the Snapdragon processor. And despite its Yoga moniker, this model does not have a 2-in-1 design, and instead features a traditional clamshell approach. Its build is slim and sturdy, featuring a cosmic blue aluminum body, which is comparable to the previously released Lenovo Slim 714. The typing experience on this is facilitated by a thoughtfully designed keyboard with 1.5mm key travel, suitable for long typing durations. Its white backlit keys also add both style and functionality. The touchpad provides reliable performance for daily tasks without the complex features found in more expensive models. Moreover, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is equipped with a superior 1080p webcam, positioned in a communications bar above the screen, enhancing video calls, and also has an integrated IR camera support for facial recognition through Windows Hello, and a presence sensor boosts security by detecting when a user is not at the keyboard. Alright, so if you're curious as to what the camera quality looks like, as well as the audio quality sounds like on the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, hey, relax. You're gonna get some right here. Alright, so this is what the camera looks like on this Lenovo Yoga laptop, as well as what the microphone sounds like. I think the microphone sounds pretty good. I think the camera looks really good. The colors they do pop, not as crazy as, you know, I would personally like. There are some Chromebooks that actually have 2K webcams, and it just looks so much better. But I think for what it is and for
the use case of this and the overall sleekness and design of it, I think this is pretty decent. When it comes to the microphone quality, it does utilize like some noise suppression to make the mic sound as clear as possible. I've got an AC going, I've got a fan going, kids running around, pets, all this other stuff. And the most that you're really going to be able to hear, almost entirely, you're going to be able to hear is my voice. So I think that right there is a massive selling point. So if you're using this for conference calls, using it for video chatting, or if you're using this for podcasting, the way, I'm a professional podcaster. If you're using this for podcasting, it's not going to win you any awards, but I think for what it is, you really can't beat it. And this should literally be the standard on laptops and mobile devices going forward. But yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. So another cool thing about the camera here on the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 14Q8X9, whole mouthful, yes, I'm using webcam to record, is the fact that you also have this function on the side of it to just switch it to turn off the camera. It's a privacy filter. You can turn on, turn off, on, off, just like that.
Despite its numerous strengths, the Yoga Slim 7X may not suit everyone. I'm who it suits, but I don't know if it's going to suit you. But for me, it works for me. And truthfully, that's all I really care about. If it works for you, cool. If it doesn't, cool. I don't really care, but it works for me. And that's a go. And that's particularly due to the absence of traditional audio jacks and USB-A ports, which could hinder those with older accessories. The exclusion of an HDMI port also limits video output options, pushing users towards USB-C or additional adapters. Now, with that being said, there are options that you probably need to get around to using if you want to utilize this device. Just get a USB-C hub or a docking station. I have a couple I can recommend to you. You'll find them in the description down below. On the software front, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X provides a clean and familiar interface, with Lenovo minimizing unnecessary software. While it does come with a McAfee antivirus trial that's pre-installed, application compatibility has seen significant improvements on Windows ARM devices, though some apps still experience installation or operational issues. Now, not many that I've run into, but for everything that I use it for like, consuming content, editing videos via CapCut. I mean, I've even tried it with Premiere Pro and never had an issue with it, which this whole video is honestly edited on this device. So yeah, and this is like I want to say like a 5 gig file format in MP4, and it handled it. It crunched through it like nothing. So yeah, for demanding tasks, it stands and delivers. Wrapping everything up, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X marks a significant advancement in ARM-based computing, excelling in battery longevity and desktop performance. It targets tech enthusiasts keen on the latest innovations and those who can overlook some minor hardware limitations. However, those requiring maximum compatibility and conventional features may find better alternatives elsewhere. And with that being said, that's the review of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. Again, thank you to Lenovo for sending this over to me. This is absolutely one of my favorite laptops I've ever got to review. I am clutching at my, oh man, I'm clutching so hard. Pause, no Diddy, I don't mean like that. I'm clutching onto this so hard because I don't, again, pause, no Diddy, I don't want to send it back because I love this thing. I'm using it every day for everything. And I know people complain about the lack of ports. I mean, yeah, you got 3 USB-C ports, but hey, here's the thing. We're moving towards the future where we're pretty much going to have one universal cable, which is the USB Type-C. And that's going to be able to do everything. And it currently does do everything from video output, as well as for connectivity, charging, and more. So we're getting to a point where a lot of these companies like the Lenovo, they're like, hey, we got to look towards the future. And it's time for a lot of us to just let these older accessories go, even if we don't want to. And there's a couple of accessories I don't want to let go, but hey, that's where we're trending towards. But all that being said, I love this thing. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to give it back, but I gotta. But with that being said, if you guys want to pick one of these up, I will leave links in the description below, as well as the first pinned comment here on YouTube, and also pin it to the YouTube video. I think that it should be available in the YouTube shop. But all that being said, hopefully you guys have a great and aloha rest of your day. Peace out. Be blessed. Have aloha. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Aloha.